Welcome to the ultimate solution for managing your PrestaShop store data. Today, we are taking a quick look at the Product Catalog Export Pro module. Whether you need to update inventory, migrate data, or connect to marketplaces, this module handles it all in just a few clicks. Click to the New Export to start. Creating a new export is incredibly intuitive. First, name your template and choose your preferred file format: XLS, CSV, XML, or even a direct Google shopping feed. You have full control over data formatting, including currencies, decimal separators, and mapping your store categories directly to Google categories. Don't need the whole catalog? No problem. The advanced filtering system lets you narrow down exactly what you want to export. You can set specific rules based on product IDs, stock quantities, combinations, and much more. Next, build your file exactly how you want it. Select from hundreds of available product fields like prices, CO data, and quantities. You can easily reorder columns with a simple drag and drop. Here is where the Pro version really shines. You can add custom extra fields with logical conditions. Need to calculate dynamic discounts or markups? Use the custom fields to apply math directly to your export. But here's the real game changer: the custom formula builder with a built-in AI helper. You no longer need to be a math or coding expert to manipulate your data. Just click AI Helper and type what you need. For example, tell the AI to create a formula to increase price up to 20% and round it. Note, you can use the existing fields to cooperate with AI and create formulas. The AI instantly translates your request into the perfect working formula. It's that easy. Let's start with content generation. Need fresh descriptions or custom CO tags? You don't have to write them manually. By adding your OpenAI key, you can create a dedicated ChatGPT field. Just input your prompt, and the module will automatically generate unique AI content for every single product in your export. Want to make sure everything looks right? Use the live table preview. Finally, let's automate it. Save your exact export configuration. Then, head over to Scheduled Tasks to set up automatic exports. The module fully supports the latest and most secure PHP CLI cron methods. You can just set it, forget it, and check the History tab whenever you need to see your past executed reports. Work smarter, not harder. Click the link in the description to upgrade your PrestaShop store today.